Oh, my lovely viewers, I hope you all doing great. So I made this stuffed shells today. As you can see, this is baked dish and it turned out so well. The reason I'm sharing this recipe with you guys, I use minimum ingredients I had available on hand. So I prepared this and turned out so great. So that of sharing with you. So let's get started with the recipe. So to make this delicious stuffed shell, I had this one box available, the jumbo shells, and this is from the great value. So from the Walmart, but you can use whatever you can find. And I am boiling this according to the package direction. Now for this recipe, usually people do add spinach and all the other vegetables they prefer, but spinach is must. I also add spinach, but I don't have it. So like I said, I'm just using the very basic like onion and bell peppers only, but you can add if you have zucchini, spinach, all works great. In a pan, I'm taking a little bit of olive oil and adding lots of garlic. In this dish, you gotta use a lot of garlic because that will give you nice garlicky flavor to the pasta. Once it's ready, I'm going to add all my chopped veggies, which are just the bell peppers and onions. Cook it well and cook it until they turn a little softer. Meanwhile, the shells are all boiled and ready to go. Look at this. Let's let this sit on the side until we prepare other ingredients. So veggies are ready. Now I will start adding some spices and herbs. So I have added oregano and basil. I'm using all the dry ingredients and parsley and black pepper and a little bit of thyme and chili flakes. Mix it all together. Now I'll add salt and mix it all together very well. Our vegetable stuffing is ready, and now I will let this cool down. Meanwhile, I'll take pan and add a little bit of olive oil to it and butter, small cube butter. Into that, I'll add chopped garlic and add a lot of garlic because it will give nice flavor to your sauce. Cook the garlic for a few seconds or until it turns a little bit of brown, not much. And now I'll add all-purpose flour and mix it all together and let this cook on slow flame. All the flour should be cooked. When it turns brown in color, add milk and add a little bit of milk and keep on stirring. You want to make sure there is no lumps. Once it's ready, I will add salt, dry basil, parsley, chili flakes, rosemary and thyme. Mix it all together and let this cook until it becomes a little bit of thick. So as you can see, this is the consistency right here. I have turned off the stove, and once you turn off, it's still gonna go cook and gonna get a little bit of thick, so you don't want to cook too much. And I have turned off my stove, and this is the consistency right now I have, and I'm happy with it. But if you like more runnier, you can add more milk. Now let's prepare the stuffing for the shells. So for that, I have taken all the veggies that we prepared and I'm adding some ricotta cheese to it. And I have used the whole small can of the ricotta cheese here. And now I already added a lot of seasoning to the veggies. So when you add salt and other seasoning, you just want to add for the cottage cheese. Mix everything and give it a taste, and if you feel like adding more, you can add more seasoning to it. So I mixed it well and I added more seasoning to it, whatever needed, and I'm adding some cheese to it. And now final mix to it. Mix it all together so that way it's easy for stuffing. And meanwhile my oven is preheating, and let's stuff the shell. And I'm just gonna do a couple over here and I'll show you how I do it. I can add more to it. Okay, just like that. And I'm gonna do one more, and then I'll just do rest of off camera, and I'll be back once I'm ready with all my shells done. As you can see, all my shells are ready, and here is my pan. I'm gonna add oil to it and spread it evenly, adding a little bit of sauce on the bottom. If you have some marinara sauce, you can use, so I don't have it, so I add a little bit of ketchup on the bottom, and this is optional. And I already said that in the beginning of the video that I'm just using whatever I have available on hand, and it still turned out so great. So if you want to follow this recipe, you can do too. Now I'm just going to arrange all the shells. Let's do in fast forward. And I'm going to pour a sauce over it. Do as much as you like, as much as less. It's completely up to you. If you like creamy, more saucy, add more sauce. Now on top of that, I'm just going to put some mozzarella cheese. Now I don't have some Parmesan cheese available, so I just put it this mozzarella cheese, and this dish is ready to go into the oven. But before that, I am just going to cover this completely and bake this at 350 for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So once 15-20 minutes over, look at this, it's nice and melted. So I am going to take off the foil, and then we are going to broil this until the top is nice and golden brown. Look at this, it's ready. Just to garnish, I'm adding some parsley here. If you have fresh, definitely add. I just had the dry one on hand, so I'm just adding that. And look at this, it is so good, it turned out so well. Everybody enjoyed my house, and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this recipe. And if you really enjoyed it, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.